Hi, this is Meridith Elliott Powell, and I am back with today's sales tip. And today's sales tip is how to fix a dry pipeline fast. Now, we all know in a perfect world, we would never have a dry pipeline, but we've all been there. You get to the end of the month and somehow you just got busy, you took your foot off the gas, and you are in desperate need of closing some sales. Not a good place to be. What do you do? Well, I've got 3 tips for you to put into place to fix a dry pipeline fast. Number 1, make a list of 10, maybe 15 customers that you did business with in the last year. Customers you really like, customers who paid you, and customers who got real value from your products or services. And just do a quick check-in. Call them on the phone, shoot them an email. Number 1, thank them for the business. Number 2, ask them what's new and exciting, what's going on in their industry, and ask them about any challenges or new ideas, new things that they've got coming down the pipe. I guarantee you make those calls, and they're easy to do, you're going to find some new business. Second strategy is come up with an idea, a pain point or a challenge you know your customers are having, and offer a free webinar, 30 minutes, on how to solve it. And you can go back, invite 50 or 60 of your past customers to that webinar and use that as an opportunity to reach out, to educate. And again, you'll find some opportunities to have conversation to do some new business. And last but not least, share an idea with a new product or service, something new in your industry, and use it as an idea as a way to reach out to your existing customer base. The bottom line is if you want to fix a dry pipeline fast, go back to your existing customers, those people who already know you, already love you, and already have had a good experience with you. If you just find a casual way to interact with them, ask a few questions, I guarantee you're going to fix your dry pipeline fast. Now, I've got one last strategy for you. The best way to fix a dry pipeline is not to get a dry pipeline. So do what you can to not take your foot off the gas. Try to make at least a couple of sales calls every single day. The more you reach out, the more you touch existing customers and prospects, the least likely you are to have a dry pipeline. So put those strategies into action, and I'll see you.